G'day everyone and welcome to this episode of Dave's RC Garage. Today, we're going to have a look at what's inside this Hsp RC car box. Let's get into it. Now if I could just ask, before we get into this video, if you could take 5 seconds, not even that, hit that subscribe button, it'd be really appreciated. Now let's get into the video. So, what do we got here? We've got another Hsp, 1/10 scale. What do we got? Oh, all-weather electronics down here. Wasn't sure about that. Alright, let's get this open and have a look at what one we got. And there it is, the Stealth. Alright. Get this out, hopefully. Okay, so we get the car out of the bottom of the box, the instructions. Only real spares you get is some of the spring collars for the shocks. No tools, no nothing. So that's the box. I was actually hoping to get this done to get the box out of the way. It's sort of in the way. A real basic wall charger. I'll look at this later, but oh, there we go. This doesn't even make it. This is... can't see because I haven't got my glasses on. But yeah, they're generally pretty slow. They'll do the job, but better off if you can spend the extra $40, $50, get a peak detection charger. That'll do it a lot faster. Alright, car and radio. Don't know where the side covers have gone. Been moving a lot of stuff around here lately, so stuff sort of got misplaced and that. Eventually get it sorted out. Okay, so basic radio. Okay. The radio come with the nitro. That's this one. I'm guessing it's all the same. Controls, yep. At least it's a nice red to match the car. Like when they do that sort of stuff. And still 8 batteries. Okay, and then the car. Easy. Okay, so as I said, got the Stealth version, which is the red and black and highlights of red. Now, one thing that if you're going to get one of these cars, which they're nice and cheap, they have improved the front shock tower thickness here. Now on the Nitro, there was the one part that failed. Those shock towers bent so easy, including the back one. The back one's still thin by the looks of it, but it does get a bit of protection from the body and the wing. The front one, if it hits anything, it used to bend, so hopefully this will last a lot longer. Now, plastic chassis, nothing flash, it's just a very basic car. But like the Nitro, they've been around for a long time now. They're still going, they're still getting made, so they can't be that bad. And so inside we've got a battery already installed and everything pretty much ready to go. I'm not sure what it's just there, whatever the standard motor is. Oh, okay. Actually got a bit of gauze over the air vent there to stop stuff getting into it. That's, oh, I've never seen that before. So yeah, as I said, everything's very basic on this car. It's pretty much the same as the Nitro, just with a different power plant. Your suspension and all that is the same. Yeah, feels about as good as you expect from a ready to run. And the motor wires are going to get in the way, nice and short there, so always good. You don't want excessive wire hanging out. And that'll be the battery wire connector. Oops. There we go. Alright, so as I said, there's not a lot to really show on this car. They're very basic. but they've been around for a long time. They still work, they still go. So I'll get this battery charged up. We'll go give it a run outside. Alright, so let's go take this out for its first run. First thing you want to do, turn on your radio, make sure you got power, have a charged battery pack in of course, and turn the car on, do a quick check. Okay, we're all good to go for our first run. While I'm putting the body on, I just want to mention that, especially with brush motors, for this first battery run, if you can help it, try and take it very easy, like no more than half throttle. And this is for two reasons. The one is brush motors do have parts that run against each other. They have the bushings as well as the brushes that touch the commutator. And if you just go flat out, yeah, they'll work, but whenever I run in a motor nice and slow for the first run, they always seem to go a bit faster, a bit longer than motors that are just thrashed from the first run. And the second reason is if you're new to RC, you don't want to go out and just mash the throttle and the car hits a gutter or something and brakes in the first 5 seconds. That's not going to be fun. So especially for new drivers, take it easy on that first pack. It'll be hard. It'll be very hard not to do it. But you'll learn to drive the car, how it reacts, and braking the motor nice and easy. Alright, let's get this outside and give it a run.
Yeah, no worries. This is faster. Enjoy.
Have a good day, mate.
Yeah, buddy.
So there you go. That's a quick look at the Hsp Stealth. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Remember to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. We've got a few things planned to do with this little buggy.